Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to Listen and Learn English. We're really happy to spend another long, relaxing English session with you. I hope you're doing great today.
Hi, everyone. It's always wonderful to see you here. Thank you for coming back for another story. We love making these long, gentle English conversations for you.
Before we begin, we have a small request. If you enjoy these stories and conversations, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment. Your support helps Listen and Learn English grow and lets us create even more long, friendly English stories every day.
Thank you so much for supporting this channel. Now, get comfortable, relax, and enjoy today's story. Today's story is called Tom's Surprise Guest at Home.
And trust me, this one is funny.
Hey, it was scary at the moment.
Sure. Let's begin. Tom, tell us how your day started. Before the surprise guest.
It was a completely normal afternoon. I had finished lunch, cleaned the kitchen, played a little music, and sat down to relax. The weather was quiet, a little warm, perfect for a nap or a peaceful moment.
You love your peaceful moments?
Yes. I was sitting on the sofa, scrolling on my phone, feeling calm and happy, but suddenly, I heard something.
What kind of something?
A sound. A strange sound. A sound that did not belong inside my house.
Describe it.
It sounded like scritch, scritch, scritch. Low, quiet, but definitely real.
Oh no.
Yes. I froze. My heart said, Tom, run. But my brain said, Tom, investigate.
Your brain was not being smart that day.
At first, I thought maybe it was the wind, but the windows were closed. Then I thought maybe it was the fridge. But no, the sound was definitely coming from the kitchen.
Let me guess. You walked slowly and dramatically toward the kitchen.
Exactly, like a detective in a bad movie. I walked step by step, trying not to make noise. I even held my breath.
Tom loves drama.
I reached the kitchen doorway and listened again. Scritch, scritch, scritch.
That sounds like a small creature.
Yes, and I thought, oh no, maybe a mouse. Or maybe a cat got inside. Or maybe a ghost eating snacks.
Tom,
I was nervous. I slowly turned the corner and looked inside the kitchen. Everything looked normal. But then I heard it again, from behind the trash bin.
oh no.
I stood still. Then, with the courage of a hero, or an idiot, I moved the trash bin.
And what did you see?
A pair of big shiny eyes staring back at me.
What?
Yes, two eyes. Bright, round, curious. And I screamed.
You screamed.
Yes. A very manly scream.
Sure, Tom. Totally believable.
Then the creature stepped out slowly.
Was it a cat?
No.
A mouse?
No!
A monster?
Close.
Tom!
Fine. It was a baby raccoon.
A baby raccoon! Inside your kitchen?
Yes, a small, fluffy, round baby raccoon with cute little paws and adorable little ears, and a face like, "Hi, I live here now."
Oh, that sounds adorable.
Emma, in that moment, I was not thinking it was adorable. I thought it was a ninja raccoon sent to attack me.
You're so dramatic.
The raccoon walked around like it owned the place. It sniffed the floor. Then it climbed onto my chair.
It sat on your chair?
Not only sat, it curled up like it was ready for a nap.
Oh,
Emma, it was my chair.
maybe he wanted company.
I didn't want raccoon companies. I didn't know what to do. So I called animal services.
But they didn't answer right away, right?
No, they said they would arrive in a couple of hours. 2 hours, with the raccoon sitting in my chair like a king.
So, what did you do?
I sat on the opposite chair, and the raccoon stared at me.
Like a stare battle?
Yes, a very intense stare battle. I blinked first. I lost.
So, did you try to communicate with him?
Yes. I said, "Hello, little guy. Please don't bite me."
And the raccoon said,
He just stared and blinked. But then something amazing happened.
What?
He walked over to me, sat beside my foot, and touched my shoe with his tiny little paw.
Oh, that's adorable.
Emma, I almost fainted. Then the raccoon looked hungry, so I carefully placed a piece of banana on the floor.
Did he eat it?
Yes, he picked it up gently and ate it like a tiny gentleman.
That's so cute.
Then he wanted more. He walked towards the counter like, "Now give me the whole kitchen."
He was negotiating.
Exactly. A small furry negotiator. Animal services finally arrived. 2 hours later,
Tom told me they asked, "Is the raccoon calm?"
yes. And I said, "Too calm. He thinks he pays rent."
What did they do?
They opened the door and tried to guide him out. But the raccoon refused.
He wanted to stay with you.
He walked back to my chair. Finally, they used a gentle box and guided him outside safely. But before he left, he looked back at me.
Like a goodbye.
Yes, a little slow blink. It felt like he was saying, "Thank you for the banana and the hospitality."
That's so sweet. So, how did you feel after he left?
Honestly, a little sad. The house felt too quiet.
You missed him.
Maybe a tiny bit.
Oh, Tom made a new friend.
I learned something that day. Sometimes unexpected surprises, even scary ones, can bring moments of joy.
And sometimes a random guest can make your day more interesting.
And sometimes you realize your kitchen needs better windows.
Thank you, friends, for staying with us for this story. We hope you enjoyed this funny and emotional experience.
If you liked it, please subscribe, give the video a like, and write a comment. Your support helps listen and learn, English grow, and continue creating more warm English stories every day.
We appreciate you so much.
See you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye there, friends!